a lot of ancient Sasani people built certain kinds of structures on the planet for a variety of reasons, many of which were made of stone. One in particular that we shall address this day of your time is in some senses similar to the structure on your planet that you call Stonehenge, but it is not circular. It is a spiral. And being a spiral, it stretches out over several acres of land. Now, these standing stones that were created by ancient people on my planet do not have the connecting lintels on the top that Stonehenge originally had and to some degree still has today. They are simply a series of standing rectangular stones with a certain space in between them that would be about the size of what you would consider to be a wide doorway. Again, somewhat similar to the spacing of the stones in your Stonehenge, but a little bit different. However, not all of them are empty, these spaces. Some of them are, but many of them are not. And in these spaces, there is hanging between the stones other slices of different kinds of stone, sliced relatively thin and hanging, in a sense, like a chime, a large chime between the major standing stones. Each of these thinner slices of stone, of different types, different colors, different kinds, has been specifically fashioned to give off a particular tone when struck. Just as you know that if you have a relatively thin piece of stone that is translucent and you strike it, it will give off a kind of bell-like ring depending upon the stone. It will determine what tone it gives off. Each of the stones in this particular spiral structure we are referring to, which in our ancient language is called Shaddok,